What's up, my name's Technobo here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. So as a quick intro to this video, this is an update video, or rather an addition to a previous video that I did. That video is this one over here. Apex Legends change audio language only through Steam, which is commonly referred to as something to do with a Japanese audio swap or trick, whatever. It amassed over 64,000 views and it does exactly what you thought it would do. You fire up the game, everything's in English, your subtitles are in English, but the actual audio of characters speaking is in a different language, such as Japanese. You can have two languages simultaneously. Though, at the very end of this video over here, I talked about updating the game. Now, this is a 2-minute segment in a 6-minute video, but of course there's thousands, and I mean thousands of people who didn't see this last chapter over here and hence have no idea why their game is crashing when they're trying to play it after an update is released. Don't worry, don't have to head across to this video, I'll be showing you exactly this now. So let's just simply assume that you followed that guide and you have English or whatever language text, etc, and your audio is another language, such as Japanese. What do we need to do to actually update the game? Well, of course, you've probably already updated the game, and when you click play, you're getting an error. How do we fix that? Well, all we have to do is switch across to the other language, update the files, and switch back. But it's not that simple, as soon as we change to the language and change back, we'll simply lose the files that are there. So what we need to do is right-click Apex Legends, then click Properties, and head across to the Language section on the left-hand side. As you can see, I have English selected, as this is my default UI language. I'll click the drop-down and select our secondary language, in my case, Japanese. Now, you can see there's an update available. I'll close this and click Update. Now, of course, it'll validate the files on your computer, and it'll see if there's an update. It'll go ahead and download an update or patch for the audio files, and as soon as it's done, if we were to click play, the game, audio, and UI would both be in the secondary language. That's not what we want. We want one language for the UI and one language for the audio. Right-click Apex Legends once again, hover over Manage this time, and click Browse Local Files. Inside of here, head into the Audio folder, Ship folder, and now you'll see both the UI language, in my case English, and the secondary language, in my case Japanese. All we have to do is cut the files for our secondary language, the audio files, or the Japanese files, and put them in a different folder so that Steam doesn't find them and it can't delete it. Now that we've done this, let's head back to Steam, right-click Apex, Properties, and now we'll be changing the language back to whatever we want our UI to be in. In my case, English. Now I'll click Close, and if there's an update, wait for it to finish. Now all we have to do is navigate back to those files and move them out of this folder over here, back into the Ship folder, and now we've successfully updated both the Japanese or secondary audio and the original audio and UI files. Cool. At this point, we can simply launch up the game and we'll have the UI in English or whatever your primary language is, and of course the audio in another language, or in my case, Japanese. It really is that simple, but it's annoying to remember to do every time there's an update for the game. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, my name's been Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!